Okay, so
what do we got here?
This is very, very new actually to us.
So these are destroyed buildings.
Yes, in 1:144 scale actually.
Yes.
Which is very much this scale here actually.
Yes.
And scale.
And also Bandai Gundam HG scale. They're 1:144 scale as well.
So this is perfect to do some nice dioramas with your Gundams.
That's right. So whether or not you want to do them on, I mean, these all look really interesting on a layout. You have your layout just going around, and then you have this blown out building just in the middle. So let's have a quick look inside. So it's 3 different kinds. We'll just open this up here.
Yes. All right.
So we get that there. Okay, that's the first kind there. All right, let's just check that out. All right, so there's a C version and destroyed building. So it's just basically got a facade there with individual blown out
parts.
Yeah,
section levels.
All right, as we open up, you can see
pre-colored as well.
It's all pre-painted.
Wow.
So pre-painted and gravel. Okay, so basically you got rubble there as well.
They'll come in a big bag.
Yep. So you see that they're all segmented.
We've got all the cracks here.
Yep, and sort of burnt effects. All the windows are already in.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a very simple construction. It's just like clipped together. A little bit of glue, of course, to put on all your debris, but it comes in this sort of style.
Here we go.
And you got your main section here. Okay, so there's the main facade. There's the front end of it.
Like this part here broken off like that.
Yeah, that's right. And you got these sort of dust effects with the airbrush work.
You can see the concrete actually. I don't know if you can see from the photo actually, but there's a concrete texture here in the break off.
Yeah. So I feel where the plasters come off.
Yeah.
And then you got super broken bits there.
Yeah. Got a base.
That's the base.
And if you flip it, actually.
Flip it over here.
Look at this.
So you got all, I guess that's, what is that? Is that lighting? Or is that supports
for the floor? Support. Yeah.
Floor supports?
Yeah, I would say so.
There's a bit of work there, isn't it?
Definitely.
They've done very well.
Definitely interesting. So this is from another Japanese manufacturer called Tomytec, actually.
Yes.
Tomytec produces quite a few different type of hobby products, from model kits of all kind, including then model trains.
Yes. So that's really nice. So that's one of those.
Yep.
I quite like this too, because that's actually a sign that goes on top of the main what do you call that? The foyer area. So that's the Chelsea Hotel, but the hotel's gone, and the hot's been broken off.
And I was looking at this.
That looks like the elevator.
So that's
the old school elevator part.
Yeah.
It's tubular.
Yeah.
And that's mounted in the corner of the building.
Very well thought, actually.
So that's really nice there.
And so there's 3 different versions.
Yep. So we'll just have a look at another one here. So this version here is
version A, actually.
A.
So,
all right.
Okay, different boxing.
Yeah. So this one is sort of deeper.
Deeper building, yes.
Yeah. Okay, a little bit smaller in height. But you got the roller door there.
That's
all the
pretty
dirt
cool.
and such.
Yeah. Half building there.
Yeah. Got the side here.
Yeah.
You see the little lugs where it all pushes together. And then you got broken bits, like big chunks.
Big chunks of
Yeah.
building.
Yeah. And then you got
your bags.
debris. And then I guess is there a base here?
There's
a base here.
Yeah.
So it's a little narrow one. Yeah, it looks good. So nice. And then there's this one here, which is
option B.
One there. This one's sort of strapped together. So
let's see.
See if we can get this one open.
Open this up.
All right. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Excellent. This one looks like it's got a few more walls to it. All right, so you got a bigger base there.
Yeah, definitely.
Quite like the way they've got the different coloured interiors, because each building would have had different coloured floors.
Yeah, different tiling, and you can see some explosion there, some cracks.
Yep. Got some section here.
Yep.
And then this one's a little bit more detailed, isn't it? It's got the window frames are in different colours.
Yes.
So they've been silvered. Are they aluminium frames?
I really like the window broken here. There's half the frame there.
Oh,
the frame
yes.
has been broken off.
Yep.
So if you can actually see there, here we go. That's probably pretty good. Probably up here, you can see that. Probably. Let's try to turn it actually. Probably see from the other side better. But it's
Oh yeah,
the
you
frame
got
has
that
been
smashed bit there.
broken off there.
And then over here you got the brick section.
And there's some
the floor.
internal walls.
Yep.
Oh, that's the floor. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice. And then again, you've got big broken concrete pieces. And then you've got your debris, which is like a little gravel type.
What's this part here? Is it a
Section rock sort of thing?
No, it's a piece of it's a brick.
I
Brick
don't know.
column.
Is it? Bit of broken column?
Broken column, yeah.
Yep. So good stuff. So excellent for post-apocalyptic. Even just something that's been left over from the conflict.
That's right.
Good. It's pretty sizable, isn't it?
This spot back here, I can see here.
Yep. Goes at
Couple of
70s,
options,
70s.
I think, isn't it?
Oh, that's 70.
that's
That's the
a-
side.
120 by 70.
Yep. By
So,
90
by 90.
high.
That's pretty good size, actually.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool.